Hello and welcome to Trackdesk. Let's learn how to set up the affiliate registration flow. Then how to sign up and add new affiliates with the form. You can find the affiliate registration data in your settings menu. Choose from a set of prepared questions that will be required or just optional for affiliate registration. You can choose what will be visible. You can also add your own custom questions. Don't forget to save your settings, as all selected configurations will be visible on the affiliate registration flow. As an admin, you can see the Share Your Link widget on the dashboard. This link is prepared for sharing with your affiliates. To test the link, you can copy it and open it in a new incognito window. As an affiliate, you need to fill in all the required fields on the first page, such as name, email, and password. The referral ID will be automatically pre-filled as a name. However, you can edit it as you wish. Accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and click Continue. In the next page, you will see specific questions that we prepared as an admin. If there are no required questions, you can skip them by clicking the Start Now button. After completing the registration, you will be redirected to the dashboard. As an admin, you can see the new registered affiliate in the affiliate list. Information about the affiliate can be seen in the side modal, which will open by clicking on a specific affiliate row. In Details, you can impersonate the user, see open balances, settled balances, and edit account details, billing details, payment methods, and also see the affiliate registration data and add admin notes. The list of affiliates can be filtered by referral ID, email, full name, status, and countries. You can also add a new affiliate with the form without the affiliate's participation. Click on the Add New Affiliate button. Fill in all the fields, then select the status of the affiliate. Click on the Add New Affiliate button. The newly added affiliate will appear in the list. You are now all set. Thank you for choosing Trackdesk.